So today I wanted to just briefly show you how I use embellishing waxes on a pen blank, and also how I use the Crown Mini spiraling and texturing tool, which to my mind is perfect for pens. Now I chose oak particularly because it has nice open pores, and when we get to the embellishing wax, you see that those pores are going to work to our advantage. Now what I'm going to do first, I'm going to apply a coat of black embellishing wax to the blank before we do any kind of texturing. And there you see what we're going to use, HampshireSheen. I bought the 8 colour sample set, which is a little 30-gram pot, and on pens I suspect 30 grams is going to last years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple of marks just to have a boundary to which I'm going to apply my texturing. Crown recommend the tool be used at between 500 and 700 RPM. Now I'm using this tool here, the Crown Mini texturing tool. The wheel that I've got in it is I think the 28 tooth wheel. Now you'll see that the tool has got a sleeve on it that's got a flat on one face, and the way you use the tool is you present the tool to the work with the flat on the sleeve flat on your tool rest. And you'll notice as we offer the tool to the blank, the texturing wheel is going to start spinning. So we push it in and we roll it along, working between our two pencil marks. So when I stop that, you're going to see that we've got some spirals, which is great. The way the tool works, you might possibly see it in the video here, you'll see that there's a line down the spine of this texturing tool, and there's a kind of a sort of measurement set up on the front of the sleeve, and you'll see that the way we've got it set up, so we've got it at about 45 degrees in one direction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swap it over so that it's at 45 degrees in the opposite direction, and I'm going to texture the same area, and what we should land up with is opposing spirals, which will give us a nice sort of knurled look. Starting the lathe up again, still going at about 600 RPM, 5 to 7 as I say is their recommendation, and then we follow exactly the same process that we did. We offer the tool to the work and we cut a decent spiral. And there you'll see that we have two sets of spirals now going in opposite directions, giving us a very nice knurled sort of finish. I'm going to spin the lathe up again. I'm going to bring the skew in, tip down, onto those edges and just lean in gently to the cut, like so. Switch it off, and you'll see that what we've got now is a very definite division between the textured area and the non-textured areas either side. Now the nice thing with these embellishing waxes is they do come in some really bright colours, and I'm hoping, I've never used this one, it's electric blue. I'm hoping we will get exactly that out of it, a nice electric blue look. Now what I'm going to do, because there is a potential for this wax to spread to the rest of the barrel while we're working, I'm going to just put a bit of sanding sealer over that to keep the blue wax contained in the texturing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish this pen off. I'm going to use melamine lacquer, again another chestnut product, to finish it off for 4 or 5 coats, and then I'll add some pictures of the finished pen at the end.